Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add GIF to your Shopify product description. So all you have to do is just head over to admin.shopify.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then once done, let's just head over to a new window and just look for the GIF that you want to add to your product description. Say, for example, we're going to just find a cute GIF and just choose the GIF that you want to add. Say this, for example, and in the GIF, just right click, then click on copy image address. Then just head over to Shopify back again. And from here, we can easily see the add product button. Just click on this. So from here, we can see the description section. And all you have to do is just click on this insert image icon and you can easily just add image if you already have an existing GIF in your library, but you can also just add from URL. So from here, we're just going to paste the URL that we copied earlier and just click on add file. Just select the GIF that you want to add, then just press on done. As you can see, our GIF is now added to the description box. You can also adjust this according to your preference. Then once done, just click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!